Understanding Third World, a complex reality. The term Third World often evokes images of poverty, disease, and despair. It's a label often used to group nations with lower economic indicators. But the reality is far more nuanced. These countries are incredibly diverse. They encompass a spectrum of cultures, languages, and experiences. To truly understand life in these parts of the world, we must move beyond generalizations. It's about seeing the individuals, the families, and the communities, each with its own story of resilience, hope, and struggle. Daily rhythms beyond the stereotypes. Life in many so-called third world countries revolves around rhythms unfamiliar to many in the West. These rhythms are deeply rooted in traditions and the natural environment, creating a unique tapestry of daily life. Daily routines are often dictated by the availability of basic resources. The simplicity of these tasks belies the complexity and effort involved in securing them. Imagine a day beginning with a long walk to fetch water. This journey, often taken by women and children, is a vital part of their daily existence. This water, often carried in heavy jerry cans, is essential for drinking, cooking, and washing. The weight of these jerry cans is a testament to the physical strength and endurance required. The absence of modern conveniences shapes the rhythm of life, demanding resourcefulness and resilience. People have learned to adapt and make the most of what they have, showcasing incredible ingenuity. Access to clean water is a daily struggle for many. The quest for water is not just about survival, but also about maintaining health and hygiene. Children, their laughter echoing through the streets, often contribute to household chores. Despite their responsibilities, they find joy and playfulness in their surroundings. Their days might be spent helping with farming, caring for younger siblings, or assisting in various other tasks that keep the household running smoothly, or selling goods in local markets. These markets are not just places of commerce, but also social hubs where community bonds are strengthened. These experiences, while challenging, foster a strong work ethic and a deep sense of community responsibility from a young age. The collective effort in daily tasks builds a sense of unity and shared purpose, creating a resilient and tightly knit community. The struggle for basic needs: water, a precious commodity. Access to clean water, a fundamental human right, remains a daily struggle for millions. The lack of proper sanitation and infrastructure often leads to waterborne diseases, impacting the health and well-being of entire communities. Women and girls often bear the brunt of this burden, spending hours each day collecting water, often from distant and potentially contaminated sources. Community water sources are often the only option for many. The scarcity of water impacts every facet of life. It affects sanitation, hygiene, and agricultural practices. The consequences are far-reaching, impacting health, education, and economic opportunities. The weight of inadequate healthcare. In many parts of the world, the healthcare system is under immense pressure, struggling to meet the needs of the population. The healthcare landscape in many developing nations is characterized by limited access and resources. These limitations are often due to economic constraints, political instability, and inadequate infrastructure. Hospitals and clinics are often few and far between, particularly in rural areas. This scarcity means that people living in these regions must travel great distances to receive even the most basic medical care. The shortage of qualified doctors, nurses, and essential medications poses significant challenges. Overworked healthcare professionals are stretched thin, often working long hours with limited resources, which can lead to burnout and reduced quality of care. Healthcare facilities in many developing nations are often understaffed and under-resourced. Basic medical equipment is frequently outdated or in short supply, making it difficult to provide adequate care. For many, seeking medical attention often involves long journeys, sometimes on foot, and significant financial strain. The cost of healthcare can be prohibitive, forcing families to make difficult choices between medical treatment and other essential needs. Traditional healers and remedies often play a vital role in bridging the healthcare gap. In the absence of accessible modern medical facilities, these healers provide an essential service, using herbal remedies and traditional practices passed down through generations. These healers, often deeply respected within their communities, rely on generations of knowledge to provide care and support. Their role is not just medical but also cultural, offering a sense of continuity and trust in times of need. Education, a powerful tool for empowerment and social mobility, remains out of reach for many children. Poverty often forces families to make difficult choices, prioritizing work over education. For those fortunate enough to attend school, the quality of education can vary greatly. Overcrowded classrooms, limited learning materials, and a shortage of qualified teachers are common challenges. Despite these obstacles, the desire for learning persists. Children are eager to learn, recognizing education as a pathway to a brighter future. Amidst these challenges, the strength of community shines through. In many developing countries, communities are tightly knit, bound by shared experiences and a profound sense of interdependence. Neighbors help neighbors, sharing resources, offering support, and celebrating milestones together. This spirit of collectivism fosters resilience, providing a safety net in times of need. Whether it's sharing food during lean times, helping to rebuild after a natural disaster, or celebrating cultural traditions, the community serves as a pillar of strength. Beyond the hardships, life in these countries is a vibrant tapestry of cultures, traditions, and artistic expressions. Each region boasts its own unique heritage, passed down through generations. From colorful festivals to intricate handicrafts, the cultural richness is undeniable. Music and dance play an integral role in daily life, expressing joy, sorrow, and everything in between. Stories, often told through song or spoken word, transmit history, values, and beliefs. This rich cultural heritage is a source of pride and identity. Resilience, the strength to overcome. Life in challenging circumstances fosters an incredible sense of resilience, the ability to adapt, to find creative solutions, and to maintain hope in the face of adversity is truly inspiring. Every day is a testament to the strength of the human spirit. This resilience is evident in the resourcefulness of street vendors, the determination of students walking miles to school, and the unwavering spirit of communities rebuilding after setbacks. It's a reminder that even in the face of challenges, hope and the will to persevere prevail. A glimpse into my journey. During my travels, I've had the privilege of witnessing this resilience firsthand. I've met incredible individuals who have overcome unimaginable hardships. I remember meeting a young woman in a rural village in Nepal. Despite limited access to education, she had taught herself English and started a small school for girls in her community. Her story, like so many others, underscores the transformative power of education and the unwavering spirit of those who dare to dream of a brighter future. It's these stories of resilience, hope, and determination, that stay with me long after I've returned home. Shifting perspectives beyond charity. It's easy to fall into the trap of pity or to view these nations solely through the lens of charity. However, true understanding requires a shift in perspective. It's about recognizing the agency, the ingenuity, and the strength that exists within these communities. It's about moving beyond stereotypes and seeing the individuals, the families, and the communities working tirelessly to create a better future. It's about recognizing the potential that exists and supporting initiatives that empower, rather than create dependency. A shared future, hope for a better tomorrow. This is not just a dream, but a vision we can all work towards. The challenges faced by people in developing nations are complex and multifaceted. From economic hardships to social inequalities, the obstacles are numerous. Yet amidst these challenges, there is always hope. Hope that springs from the resilience and strength of communities. Hope for a better tomorrow, where the dawn brings new opportunities and possibilities. For a future where every child has access to education, where learning is a right, not a luxury, where clean water flows freely, ensuring health and well-being for all, and where healthcare is a right, not a privilege, a world where everyone can receive the care they need. Creating a more just and equitable world requires a collective effort. It takes the dedication of individuals and communities working together. It demands awareness, understanding, and a commitment to action. We must educate ourselves and others about the issues at hand. It's about recognizing our shared humanity, understanding that we are all connected, and working together to build a future where everyone, regardless of where they are born, has the opportunity to thrive. A future where our collective efforts lead to lasting change and a better world for all.